Welcome, today I'm with Bose SoundSport 3 and I will show you how you can check serial number of this device. So you can check the serial number of the case. So when you grab the case and take a look right here, let me just catch focus like that. Okay, the serial number appears right here. And another method to check the serial number, you can open Bose Connect application, go for the settings and tap on the product info, and we can check the right and the left one serial number. When you take a look on them, the serial number not appears right here, so we can only check it by application. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.